Hey, my name is Raul Garcia, and I'm going to tell you about a time that I tried something new. And what I tried was a solo travel trip to Europe. And I had never taken a solo travel trip before. And people told me I was nuts. They're like, what are you, crazy? Have you ever seen the movie Hostel? Which are negative things that I really didn't need to hear. And I decided, well, I wasn't originally even supposed to go ahead and take it alone. It was, I was supposed to take it with a friend who hurt their knee, and we weren't able to go together anymore. So I decided, I was like, well, I'm gonna go anyway. And so the great thing was, and the thing that I didn't even anticipate, is that you make so many compromises over the course of taking a trip with somebody as to where you want to go or what you want to do. And this was something where I called all the shots. I got to go ahead and do whatever I felt like doing. And so when I get there and it occurs to me that I don't know anybody here in this country, let alone this continent, and I end up being open to all these possibilities and meeting people, and now I have friends literally from all over the world. I got friends in Amsterdam and in London and in Japan, and expats here in the United States, from all over, and so it was really fun. And I got to go ahead and see things that I'd never even seen. I'd only seen these things in textbooks and in movies, and here I'm actually touching the walls of the Colosseum. I'm walking through the Acropolis. I'm checking out the Mona Lisa, in the Louvre. There's all sorts of amazing highlights of this trip, which spanned 30 days in 10 countries, going from London, Paris, Brussels, Amsterdam, Berlin, Prague, Vienna, Athens, Rome, back to LA, and it was the trip of a lifetime. And if you've never taken a solo trip, I highly recommend you do so, because it's very fun. I think it's something everybody should do once in their life, and that was my experience.